Pho Hoa Vietnamese Restaurant. I'm going to eat and taste Vietnamese food. I'm going to show you some of my favorite Vietnamese food. I've been to Vietnam before, couple of times, and I love the Vietnamese food. So then we have here at Mall of Asia, Philippines, we have a lot of Vietnamese food here, and I'm going to show you some great menu here at Pho Hoa Mall of Asia. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other restaurant review here and like this video. And also, syempre, kain lang tayo ng kain ng healthy food. Eat healthy food and be happy. Subscribe to my channel and check out my Facebook page. Ito yung aming very much ang laki. Ayan, ito yung bowl ko. OMG! Let's eat. Ang sarap ng Vietnamese food. Ang sarap. I love the Pho Vietnamese noodles. Lagyan natin ng konting. Let's add some hot sauce. And this is the tofu. And yes, this is the tofu. Ayan yung tofu nila. OMG. Crispy tofu with a sauce. So let's try the tofu. Delicious. Crispy yung coating nila. Fried tofu with a tasty sauce. Masarap ng sauce. And high quality tofu. I love the food here at Pho Hoa. Ang sarap ng food nila and very attentive staff. All male staff yung nandito. SM Mall of Asia branch, ang babait ng staff, very attentive, mabilis kumilos. This is the Pomelo salad. OMG, yan. And this is the Pomelo shrimp salad. Lagyan natin ng sauce. This is some portion of the salad. Pomelo shrimp salad. Tikman natin with some sauce. With crab meat, vegetables, shrimp. Sarap. Sarap. Very delicious, very healthy. OMG. Oh, yeah. With shrimp. Overall, I really love the food. We love the food. It's been my fourth time, fifth time here at Pho Hoa Restaurant. Always amazing food, tasty, delicious, and healthy. I really recommend this Vietnamese food, Pho Hoa. Very masarap. Overall, we love the food here at Pho Hoa. Very authentic food and great service from the restaurant staff. Here's the complete menu and price of Pho Hoa Vietnamese Restaurant. Thank you for watching my vlog and see you again to my next vlog.